And the fact that this is bunning the way it's supposed to bun, y'all, check that promo code in my description box and get you this pony. Hey boss babes and dons, yes, I am back with a better length hair tutorial. However, this time I'm turning this drawstring ponytail into a beautiful bun. If you like what you see, keep watching, and if you want $5 off of any of their products, be sure to check the description box for my promo code. Okay, so my hair is freshly washed. I already have my leave-in conditioner. I just put it in these twists so they can dry, because I realized putting it any other way doesn't look dry. It's actually fairly dry. Usually it takes my hair like days to dry, y'all. So I'm just combing my sections, making sure I'm combing up so it knows that I mean business. We are not playing no games. Okay, so we got that combed up. Let's try to hold this up there too. Okay. And now I'm about to do the edges, because we got to do the edges first. That's how they cooperate. So let's get into, what am I trying to say? Let's get into these edges. So for my edges, I'm using the Kiss Edge Fixer. Can you guys see it? Yes. The Kiss Edge Fixer Glued Max Hold. I don't know what this scent is called, but I like it. Then you know, I think I want this over here. You got the yum. Okay. Yeah, I swear. When I get these edges down pat, y'all are gonna be like, Shawn, teach me. I'm be like, no, y'all saw me struggling, y'all didn't teach me. I'm just like, nah. Look at already looking. It's already looking like it needs help. Hey, when y'all see my hair flourishing this summer, just ignore the edges, okay? Like, we don't even have to pay attention to these edges. I'm gonna come back and fix the middle. Okay, so the edges are done. I was about to say, I think I did pretty good, and boom, a flaw. Remember, the quality of this video has nothing to do with edges, okay? So now, we're gonna start on this bun. First and foremost, we're gonna start from the top. Since I'm doing a top one, I'm gonna start from the top first and then work my way from the bottom, if that makes sense. So this is the hair that we're pulling up first. Gonna get my handy dandy water bottle. And today the only gel I'm using is this Eco Styler. Yes, it's in a coconut oil one, but this is definitely flaxseed, okay? So let's just be clear about that. So I'm about to brush up my hair so far. Don't have any product on it except for my leave-ins. Look at my now Shawn got a little black bun. Okay. And then I'm gonna do the back. The same process. Wet it. And then brush up with no product but my leave-in. Y'all, I'm almost at the length where I don't need that much product to slick, and I'm so happy about that. Okay, put that as high as I can. You see it, two buns. Okay, and now we're about to, you already know, mold. So let's get into it. Look at my hair is flourishing. So let's get into it. We're gonna go in with my my mousse, because we about to mold. Cause why not, you know? Put the mousse. I like to put it in my hand, y'all. I don't know. If my hand isn't getting dirty in the process, am I really doing something? And then just take my black girl brush, slick it up. Slick it up. Slick it up. Okay. And now whatever we do to the top, definitely we're gonna do to the bottom. So take the bottom out. They're kind of intertwined together. Got a whole little mess right there, but it's okay. It's gonna work. And it's not gonna be tangled, I promise. So then the back. Definitely making sure I definitely get these sides, because they're the ones that be trying to make me fail in life, and I don't want to fail. That brush, yeah, this feeling feels so comfortable to me. Okay, and this time when I bun it, I'm gonna try to get even closer to the top. Look at my hair. I'm just so amazed. And now for the Eco Styler. I don't know why I did that different animated voice, but hey, if it works, I guess. Okay. Add a hefty slab. Hefty. Definitely on the side. Y'all already know how these sides have been going. Okay, take that out. Give it to me. And then, ooh, slicky. Girl, listen, girl, let me tell you something. Okay, and now, again, what we do to the front, we do to the back. Put it on there. Brush it up. And this time really focusing on getting this perimeter slick. Y'all see this side be frizzing up. And we don't want any frizzies. So slap some more on there. Do not be afraid to use your product, okay? I'd rather you have more than less, okay? Less is not more in this case. And then combine them. Y'all already know, any type of ponytail, even though that's like a go-to on this channel, be leaving me winded. Woo. Oops. I don't know why it leaves me so winded, but it does. Like, woo. Okay. It's not gonna be this hard for y'all though. I promise y'all. It's just me. I'm like this when I do any type of. It's like, dang, it's so much. My kids are gonna stay in the Alicia Keys braids, cause these ponies, yeah. But yeah, you just keep brushing and brushing until you get it perfectly up there, okay? So we about to go back. I mean, we about to speed this up because I don't want y'all just sitting here while I'm trying not to kill myself and run out of breath. So I will definitely be speeding this up now. Okay, 10 hours later, I am back. Look at my little curls. But okay, we about to put these little curls away, get a rubber band, and just kind of knot it. Look at my little curl. Okay, and now for the fun part. So I'm gonna get my BetterLength ponytail. You want $5 off? Link in the bio. Well, not link in the bio. My promo code is in the bio. But okay, so we get this drawstring ponytail. Do I want to make this tighter? I think I want to make this tighter. Hold on. Okay, so we get the drawstring ponytail and we clip. So I'm gonna put this one right there. You see it's already forming a little ball. And then I'm going to tighten it because I had it flat out because I just like did it, I guess, if that makes sense. Like I put some water and product on it. So yep. And then tighten it. This is it without me bunning it. And now I'm about to take the string, wrap it around. Did I not? I'm lying, y'all. I'm gonna take this part. I thought it was already, that's how secure it was. I thought that was already right there on my GG. And I'm gonna bun it. Well, not bun it, but spin it around. Spin it around town. Oh, I got hair. And then I'm gonna take another piece, a thick piece of hair. And I'm gonna spin that around. Okay. Get my bobby pin. Even though, actually, I don't need a bobby pin because it's gonna go. Yeah, I'm just so happy I have hair. Okay, and now, how do I want to bun this? This is the fun part because you get to really decide like how you want to bun it. Y'all, I have hair. Okay, so I can either bun it like this. I could take it. I think I'm gonna do it this way. Yeah, so I'm gonna take it like this. I'm gonna get my rubber band. Y'all see how it makes like a little pineapple thing? But okay, so it's a job for this big one, but I'm gonna still double it so it's still tight. Make sure everything is covered. No lie, no, like, I got hair. Okay, make sure everything is covered and then just bun it. You see, it's a whole bun all the way around. And then I just start tucking. And whatever I have left, because I don't want like my hair just out like that. And then just use a bobby pin to just like, you know, get everything up in there. I said a bobby pin, like I'm not about to use multiple. But y'all, this drawstring ponytail is honestly giving life. Like, of course I was using the clip ends to do like ponies and buns and stuff of that nature, but this is a whole different type of feeling. Like, it feels so secure and it gives it the fullness without me having to like think like, okay, should I just use one, should I use two clip-ins? But the clip-ins still work though, so it's like, I don't know, I'm really indecisive. I'm kind of glad I have both options. Y'all, haven't had a bun in so long. This is my hair, y'all. Y'all ready for the bag? Y'all ready for the bag? Yeah, that is all. I am done. It was quick and simple. I mean, yeah, putting the actual hair into a bun was a lot. When it comes to actually putting my hair in a bun, like, it doesn't work. And the fact that this is bunning the way it's supposed to bun, y'all, check that promo code in my description box and get you this pony. Like, it's versatile. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and yeah, keep coming because, ooh, I'm about to really give y'all some styles this summer. definitely. So take care. I'm already, look at me, already cleaning. Y'all know. But bye.